Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, like, comment, and subscribe. But as you can see in the title box below, yes, down there, I'll be doing a Valentine maintenance. Actually, a Valentine maintenance. But I'm in my car right now because it's a little loud in there, so don't mind that. But I'll be doing my own hair, nails, and lashes, and just anything else that comes in this video, because ain't no telling what else I'll be doing this video. But also, I know I will be getting my own self some gifts, and Friday I will take myself out on a date. Oh, and also before Valentine's, I'm gonna be taking some pictures because I did some last year and they came out pretty good, but there was a little yeah, that was a little but this is the photo. Oh yeah, it's the bird. The photos that I took is like this one and here. That was cute though. You can't lie. They was cute. But I want to do some with like jeans on and stuff like that, and I don't know, just surprise myself because yeah. But I decided to do this video because self-love is the best love, and I believe that you can't expect someone to love you if you don't love yourself. And also, people start being a little like bitter towards other people that's in a relationship, and I'm like, love yourself. If you love yourself, then no one else can take that love away from you. And also, you just gotta love God, because God is gonna give you what you need, not what you want. Well, sometimes, but it comes with consequences. But I'm actually excited for this video, so I will see you guys. I can't get it too.
It's not the right time. You say the timing is perfect. You want me what's temporary.
Okay, so you guys, it is a new day, and this is the fit. It's very much simple, just a black sweater, my bloomers, and I'm wearing it with my boots. Yeah, it's very much Arkansas, but I don't care, and it's kind of like rain outside, so yeah, but still a little fit, not too much, not too slight. But I will see you guys when I get to the Dollar Tree. Yeah, and I'm not bringing my camera. I recorded off of it yesterday, but I'm gonna record off of it again sometime, like probably today or tomorrow, but I'm not gonna bring my camera.
I could've like hands and soap. Get a meat lady drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. I remember.
So yeah, I'm thinking about getting these. I'm trying to stay quiet because it's a little quiet in here. So yeah, but I'm gonna get these right here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the balloons, because I hate it whenever I'm in the aisle and then somebody else get in the aisle, then the aisle gets full. But for my pictures, you guys, I'm gonna get these. So for my pictures, I don't know which lashes, they are the same, but yeah, I'm thinking about just getting like these and then adding some of my other ones and stuff. But these, oh, I'm sorry, y'all didn't see that. These are cute, so I may get these. I'm gonna take like a picture with like a put mirror and then like put some glitter up on it. So we finna try to find some glitter. Y'all, I look a mess. Okay, so I'm gonna get y'all back up when I get back home, because people are looking at me crazy and I don't like that. So I will see y'all guys when I get home.
Focus on my vision, 'cause you only get one pass and you used it, amusement.
I am back from Dollar Tree, and I got my niece and nephew some candy for Valentine's, and then I also got this for them as well. I'm gonna fix up their little gift thingy a little bit later on. But I got myself this like mirror because I had an idea that I wanted to do for Valentine's for my pictures, and I also got these nails and these lashes. Yeah, I never got any lashes from Dollar Tree, but yes I have, but not these kind. So I just want to try these out, so we're gonna see how they go. I also got these balloons, as I got these balloons, and yeah, I'm gonna use those for my pictures. But I haven't got me nothing for Valentine's, like any gift, but I will give me something soon. Probably Friday, cause I will be going out to eat, so yeah. I'm gonna put this little gift thingy together, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all how I did that little gift. Alright, so I'm done with that, and tomorrow I'm gonna do my hair, nails, lashes, and I'm gonna pluck my eyebrows and stuff because it's a little messy, but yeah. And after I get ready with all that, I'm gonna take my pictures. Well, I'm gonna set up everything for y'all, and then I'm gonna take my pictures. Y'all, I'm so excited. It is maintenance day, and today I'll be taking my photos, doing my lashes, eyebrows, and wig, and you know, all that other stuff I said in the beginning. But I'm gonna take my pictures up on that wall because I always take my pictures on this wall, and I'm gonna do something new. But before I actually get started with this video, I'm gonna get in the shower, and then I'm gonna set up my photo background, then I'm gonna put my wig on off camera. I just got out the shower, and I went on to put up my wig on, and I curled it, and I also did my backdrop. So like, yes, I know it's like very plain, but that's only because I'm gonna add my background. And don't mind the stuff in the back. I had to move my stuff from right over there to over here. So as of now, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, my lashes, and then I'm gonna do my my makeup. And then after my makeup, I'm gonna do my nails. Also, I didn't tell y'all guys, but I was supposed to be leaving February the 5th, but they pushed my date forward to April 28th. And I'm like, why April 28th? But then they had pushed it back to March the 11th. So I'll be leaving March the 11th.
I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in a hurry, we gotta worry. Fell in and knew we couldn't fall back. Knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me. For me, for me. Love, it's a waste of time. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me. Too sexy. For me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me, yeah. But I really need to know. To be better, trying to hide the truth. You got all these expectations, but they don't apply to you. I really.
So my hair and makeup is done, and this is the outfit that I'll be wearing. It's just these jeans and this yeah, whatever it is. But my hair didn't do what it was supposed to do, so I'm gonna just do this little vision that I got in my head. So yeah, but let's get started on the nails because I still haven't did them.
For granted, and you just wanna see it your way. Yeah, it's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind. I'm fed up with you not being here with me when you know love is all I need. I don't wanna stay. I really wanna stay. I don't want to go. I really need to know. Can we get it together?
Hey guys, I'm done taking my pictures. I'm very tired. My pictures actually came out cute. So tonight, well tomorrow, I'm going to edit my pictures, and then Friday, that's when I'm going out to eat. But actually I had fun, like got my nails, do my nails and stuff, do my hair. Yeah, I'm taking this wig off tonight. But I will see y'all Friday. So you guys, I'm going out to eat. Let me put my stuff in the car. I wanted to take my sister with me, but she's doing hair. I will see y'all when I get to the restaurant. Hey, so you guys, hello. Yes, he got me, but I'm ready to order. Well, I don't think I was able to actually like show y'all my fit, but yeah. I think they kind of got it mixed up because I always get sweet tea mixed with lemonade, but he brought out a pink lemonade and a sweet tea. But it's okay because I know like they're very busy, so I'm not a picky person. Well, when it comes to my food, I am, but it's very busy and it's like almost time for them to close, so I'm not fazed by it. But also y'all, I am excited, and two of my nails came off, but I'm not complaining because I was gonna take them off anyways. I really don't like having on long nails because it just feels like it's in the way. I did not eat all day today. Actually, I had ate some chocolate today. That chocolate was not good. See me, I'm the type of person, I love chocolate now. Chocolate is my favorite. But that chocolate that I ate it tastes weird. But yeah, that's the only thing I ate today because I said I want to starve today. So like right now, I can, eat a little something. So I just got a shrimp chimichanga, and the rest of the stuff right here. But yeah, let's pray before we eat. Order something. Let's get the bill. That's like 32 centavos. But you guys, I'm learning Spanish. I got a little bit down. Like, I'm gonna say I'm fair at Spanish.
Happy Valentine's Day, sweetie.
Gracias, señor.
Oh, you speak Spanish?
I know a little bit. Yo sé un
But do you
poco.
speak nice?
Very well. Que tengo buenas noches. I love speaking Spanish, like in front of Spanish people, because they always comment upon like how good I speak. But I'm learning Spanish, and I also, when I was working at this store, and I would always tell the Mexicans, I'm like, let me know if I say this wrong, and like correct me if I'm wrong. So it's like learning on a daily level. I'm gonna show y'all my little fit. Hold on, y'all. But yeah, I'm wearing this long jacket, leather pants, and leather blouse. I really don't know what to call it. But yeah, so you got, oh, this concludes the Valentine vlog. I hope y'all had fun watching the Valentine's maintenance. Y'all, I keep saying that word wrong, but yeah, if you have fun, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.
Auntie.